Hey everyone, Matthew here, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, December 10, 2025, and this is your daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we dissect every major move and break down every single trade our automated system executed throughout the session. Let's jump straight into the action. Market news and catalysts. We had a steady stream of high-impact events driving the tape today. At 8:30 a.m., unemployment claims came in at 0.8%, slightly above the prior by 0.7%. At 2 p.m., a major cluster of Fed releases. The interest rate projection steady at 3.4%. The FOMC Economic Projections. The official policy statement. And finally, the highly anticipated decision, a third consecutive 0.25% rate cut, bringing the target to 3.75%. After the close, a quiet evening on the earnings front, with no major tech reports. Overnight session pre-market. As the futures market reopened, the Nasdaq dipped slightly but held above our system's short triggers. Trading remained quiet and range-bound, with price action drifting around the 25,600 level as investors clearly adopted a wait-and-see stance ahead of the Fed. The first move came with the Asian market open, a dip that triggered our first short trade. However, the market quickly reversed course, and we exited that position for a loss of $44, a cautious start to the day. Morning session, European and U.S. Open. The European Open provided some bullish momentum, prompting our system to enter a long position. Unfortunately, this optimism faded around 4:30 a.m., and we were stopped out for another loss. The system then entered a new short position. Our realized loss at this point grew to $17. The discipline paid off quickly, however. That short position was closed for a profit at 5 a.m., aiming our total realized loss down to $79. The 8:30 a.m. unemployment data caused barely a ripple in the market. At the 9:30 a.m. U.S. cash open, the market began to slip. Our active long position was underwater, showing an unrealized loss of $68. By 10:00 a.m., as the sell-off deepened, that unrealized loss widened to $203. It was a tense morning. Afternoon session and the Fed decision. The afternoon marked the decisive turn. The market began a steady recovery, setting the stage for the main event. At 2 p.m., the data deluge began. 1. The Fed budget balance showed a significant improvement. 2. The key interest rate projection held steady. Then the headline. The FOMC announced a 0.25% rate cut. The initial market reaction was classic sell the news, a sharp dip. But within minutes, the bulls took full control, launching a powerful reversal rally. By the closing bell, our patient long position was finally closed, securing a substantial profit of $500. This single trade didn't just erase our earlier losses. It put us firmly in the green. After hours, the session closed with no significant tech earnings, wrapping up a volatile but ultimately successful Fed day. Summary. Today was all about the Fed's third consecutive rate cut. We saw the classic volatility, an initial dip on the announcement, followed by a powerful bullish reversal. Our system navigated the morning's chop, managing losses, but its key achievement was capturing the dominant afternoon trend move. The $500 profit from the long position overwhelmed our earlier drawdown, resulting in a net gain for the day of $303. A very solid result on a major news day. Thanks for tuning in to the recap. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please give the video a like and subscribe for daily insights. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next edition of the Nasdaq Futures Recap.